often we have fruit trees or even plants that are laden with fruits and we fail to support them. Always thinking that these branches are strong and are able to carry their weight, but not knowing that some of these branches are crisp and brittle and they will break under pressure. Therefore, I'm going to show you one simple way to support small plants using a clothes hanger. Simple and unique clothes hanger trick. Keep watching. So now we have this hanger, we're just going to dismantle and straighten it a bit. If you cannot do so using your bare hands, then you will want to use pliers to assist you. Next up, you will want to create an average size loop at one end of the wire. Then you will want to bend the end of that wire to secure the loop. So after doing all of that, then it should be looking something like this. You should also make sure that it is very easy to detach. Now you're going to choose an area to stake your plant, making sure that it is close to the main stem. You will also want to make sure that you have at least 4 inches at the other end of the wire, and that portion is to be inserted down into the soil. It can be more than 4 inches depending on the size of your plant, after which you're just going to firm up the soil around the base of that stake. So guys, now that all of that is done, what you will want to do next is to actually place the branches within that loop. You want to make sure that you handle the branches with care, because especially the pepper branches, they are easy to snap under pressure. And I'm very sure you wouldn't want to lose any of your fruits. So guys, once all of that is done, what you will want to do next is to secure the branches within that loop. So by applying this method, then you will always have a plant that is secured and well supported. Looking on, you will realize that there is some space within the loop. You don't want to make it too close because you want the branches to be able to move freely within that space. You will also want sunlight to filter through easily. So guys, this is one trick that you can do with a clothes hanger. If you want to see how I germinate my cayenne seed in container from a fresh pod, then check out that card in the right top hand corner. You may also want to check out the videos appearing upon your screen right now. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.